Hey everyone, welcome back. Have you ever needed to send yourself a quick link, save a photo from your computer to your phone, or jot down a random note without opening a separate Notes app? To get started, open the sidebar, click the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the main menu.
Right near your profile options, you'll see an option labeled Saved Messages with a little bookmark icon. If you use it frequently, right-click the chat and select Pin to Top so it never gets buried under your other active conversations. Once you're inside your Saved Messages chat, you can treat it like any other message thread, but with superpowers. Cross-device syncing. Drop a file, a PDF, or a photo from your desktop into this chat, and it will instantly be available on your phone or tablet. Forward anything. If you see an important message or link in a public channel, you can forward it straight to your saved messages to archive it for later. Search and organize. Telegram's search bar works inside this chat too, making it easy to find old links or notes you saved months ago. If you want to use it like a to-do list, just type out your reminders or tasks here. Because Telegram has unlimited cloud storage, you can store massive files, media, and notes without worrying about running out of space on your device. Give it a try. Set up your saved messages, and I'll see you in the next one.